Man, for as much information as you can get on this channel, these moderators are freaking idiots. I hate moderators. They are so unawake. As soon as you start saying things about the military and how corrupt they are, and the military is garbage, controlled by the secret societies, real patriots don't join the military, they hate the military, these people friggin' block you. So I thought I'm on this chat talking, and then I go in with my other account to thumbs up the video again, and I see that my comments aren't even showing up. And it just ticks me off. I even say something about it, then they immediately start replying to my other comment on my other channel, because I don't make small talk. I talk about big ideas, and I say revolution against the government, and I say destroy the military, and then they say, oh, please be civil. You know what? I'm not being uncivil. I'm speaking my mind. It's freedom of speech. I have a video called Death to the Moderator, but I've never had a moderator on my channel. I got offended when somebody made me a moderator without me asking once on their channel, because I'm like, dude, I hate moderators. I hate these people. They are the anti-freedom of speech. They're like, no, you can't play. You're not allowed to play on the playground with everybody else. You're too fast. You're too good. You score too many points. No, it's not fair having you out there playing. No, stay stupid. Tone it down. Slow it down for all the idiots out there. So, Paul Cottrell, you're a punk, dude. You're fucking repping the Harvard and the Fordham gear all the time. Glad to see. I don't know if that friggin' sweatshirt says Harvard on it or not, but you always used to have your Harvard hat and your Harvard sweatshirt. Well, Harvard's Ivy League school, they've got the friggin' what? Scroll and key? Just like Skull and Bones. They're fucking Illuminati infiltrated. So, oh, you think you're so smart and you're so smug with your opinions, but you're repping the fucking Illuminati, dumbass. Same thing with Fordham University. It's a Jesuit university. So, oh yeah, you're so slick, dude. You're so smart. But you're repping the Illuminati and you don't even know it. You're paying them tuition, dumbass. Fucking idiots out here. But yeah, I'll tell you what. Real patriots despise the military, okay? Fake patriots join the military. Real patriots understand the military is a problem. The founding fathers were against having a standing army. Okay? They understood the implications of paying a bunch of mercenaries to go to war, just chomping at the bit to kill for a fucking paycheck. Idiot. So all you American flag repping morons out there, you're fucking stupid. I quit saying the Pledge of Allegiance in 2nd grade because I knew how corrupt it was. Okay? There's a whole story behind that. But I figured it out pretty goddamn quick. And if you do anything for a flag, you're easily deceived. You're a gang member. It's like the Bloods versus the Crips. Here, put on this red, shoot anybody wearing blue, and vice versa. Here, America, we're the best. Duh! Fucking idiots. So yeah, can't even talk on this dude's channel. Can't even share information. Can't even friggin' key people on to different aspects of research. Because these fucking moderators on this dipshit's channel can't even moderate his own videos. Fucking lazy fuck. So I keep wondering, how's he got both fucking hands in the air and then he keeps making comments over here. Please donate here. Come on, my super chat, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, he's got both his hands in the air. He's not making these comments. There's some other Paul Cottrell channel friggin' acting like he's fucking talking. So, anyway, that's the bottom line. This dude, half the time he's full of shit. My buddy told me, yeah, he doesn't think the Freemasons are a problem. He doesn't know about the Illuminati. He does not understand the secret societies and how they've hijacked this country. He's all gung-ho, pro-military, pro-Jesuit universities, pro-secret societies by default, because he doesn't talk about them and against them, and then he has moderators that are blocking you when you talk about how corrupt the fucking military is. The military is the #1 problem in this world. The military is who creates things like COVID-19. The military is who spreads things like COVID-19. So this dude loves to just fix a problem. Here, let me just shit all over the floor. Why don't you grab your mop bucket there, Paul? You can just keep cleaning it up, and don't worry about who's shitting all over the floor. Just Just worry about doing a good job cleaning up the shit, you shithead. Idiot.